You ever look into a mirror and think, why do I look like a raisin with Wi-Fi issues? Don't worry, bro. You're not ugly. You're just unhydrated, inside and out. Today I'm showing you how to go from crusty to Korean drama main character. This is the glass skin routine for men. Minimal, tactical, no fluff, just results. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding glass skin. Glass skin doesn't mean you have to shine like a glazed donut. It means clear, smooth, poreless skin that looks expensive. Think Patrick Bateman, if he wasn't a psychopath. Think your skin's LinkedIn profile. Clean, professional, hireable. And yes, men can absolutely achieve this. You just need 5 things. A consistent routine. The right products. A diet that isn't just kebabs and energy drinks. Actual water. And a little discipline. Part 2. The 5-step routine. Step 1. Cleanser. You need to cleanse twice a day. Your face collects oil, dirt, regret, and pollution. A cleanser is your reset button. In the morning, you need a gentle foam cleanser. At night, hydrating or exfoliate. Step 2. Toner. Optional, but elite. A toner balances your pH levels, tightens pores, and gives a pre-game boost to everything else. Use one with niacinamide if you have big pores. Avoid ones with alcohol unless you want your skin to feel like the Sahara. Step 3. Serum. Vitamin C or niacinamide. Vitamin C gives bright, healthy, and even tone skin. Niacinamide, less oil, smaller pores, better texture. Think of this step like your espresso shot. Targeted, effective, makes you look awake. Step 4. Always moisturize. A hydrated face is a happy face. Oily skin, use a gel moisturizer. Dry skin, cream. Either way, if your face is cracking like a sidewalk, it's time to level up. Step 5. Sunscreen. Your skin's best friend. 90% of visible aging is caused by the sun. Yes, even if you're inside. Yes, even in the winter. SPF 30 minimum, daily. It's not optional, it's self-respect. Part 3. Bonus tips that level you up. Tip 1. Exfoliate. Chemical, not physical. Stop scrubbing your face like it's a dinner plate. Use a chemical exfoliant, BHA or AHA, 2 times per week to remove dead skin gently. This is what makes your skin glow, not the lemon juice TikTok told you to use. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day. No, coffee doesn't count. You'll be surprised how much better your skin looks when you stop running on caffeine and regret. Tip 3. Sleep. Minimum 7 hours. Sleep is skincare. Dark circles, puffiness, dull skin, all fixed with actual rest. Hustle culture is cool, but no one respects a zombie with eye bags. Tip 4. Diet. And yes, it matters. More whole foods, less processed junk. Skin is an organ. Feed it right. Zinc, omega-3s, vitamin A, C, and E. They all matter. Eat like your skin's watching, because it is. Part 4. What to avoid. Don't sleep with a dirty face. Don't pick your pimples. Don't switch products every week. Don't trust TikTokers who smear toothpaste on their face. And please don't think skincare is unmanly. You can bench 100 kg and still use toner. Skincare is simple. Clean, treat, protect, hydrate, and repeat. You don't need 12 products, you need 5 good ones and a routine you stick to. Your face is your first impression. Treat it like your passport. Subscribe if you're ready to glow like a villain in a Dior ad.